Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Ken. If you're new to this channel I share a lot of things about digital marketing, entrepreneurship, and also in public speaking. And if you like this content, kindly subscribe, support this little channel to help me grow so that I can keep producing content like this to help many other people and also to help myself, right? And without further ado, this video today is mainly to talk about this new article that Facebook just published. The questions that they want to answer is, how does Facebook use machine learning to deliver ads? If you're not sure how Facebook ads are being run, how people target ads to you, or how you yourself actually run ads, what kind of criteria they look at and things like that, this is quite a good article. So in this video I'm going to share more about this. I'll go into my desktop so they can have a look at what the article is about, and let's just go through it together. Hi, as mentioned earlier, this is the article that has been posted on 12th of June. It's like 10 days ago, which really answered the main question, how does Facebook use machine learning to deliver their ads, right? Let me just go through the article, then maybe we can discuss along the way what I think about this, and yeah, let's go. So I mean, they will always say that, okay, in advertising it's always like this, right? As a marketer, we always try to deliver content which is relevant to the target audience, right? Something that the audience wants to see. So Facebook really like that ads that, for example, if I run an ads for an event and then someone see it, they like it, so this is what you call a good ad, right? That means I'm doing my right targeting, I'm showing things that to people that I want to see. But the platform that actually show it to you is Facebook. So Facebook want to make sure that your experience is good as well, and that's the reason why they have all these metrics, all this targeting and things like that in their system. Okay, so their main concern is always to make sure, not the okay, of course they make their money from advertisers, but this is chicken and egg issue. You need an audience in order for the advertiser to advertise to. So for their now they keep stressing out that they want the audience experience to be great in order for the advertiser to advertise. So as an advertiser, if I posted a video on Facebook ad account disabled, and I received a lot of feedback, a lot of questions, and I found that it is a very common thing. Facebook just disabled here and there, mainly because there's a lot of scam, there's a lot of political things going on, and maybe that's the reason why Facebook is so strict. I myself got my account got banned, and some of them managed to get back, some I don't. It's just part of the game, right? Most probably is because I do not give most of the time it ban is mainly really due to the result of your ads, or the ads, or the person that you target. When you target the person that do not like to see your ad, most probably Facebook will take it as a flag and they will just block you, right? So this is just some disclaimer. Okay, so it helps businesses reach customers, affordably grow and create jobs. This is their main tagline for these few days, because they want to appeal to business owners, and it seems like they are doing it feels like they are doing like a CSR kind of work, to appeal to business owners. I don't know, so it seems good, right? So there's a video here. I was playing it halfway.
This is Use Facebook businesses. Advertisers can.
Whatever I mentioned just now, the concept is being explained here. The main focus is for us, advertiser marketer, to create ads that is relevant to the audience, and the audience take action. That means I as a marketer is doing a good job. This is just the basic of the video. You can watch it and go through it if you want to. So how does Facebook decide which ads to show to people? So mostly, that's why customer advertising is important. We as advertiser will choose our target audience, right? They say self-service tools. Yes, in ad account, if you go through my videos, in the ad account itself, there is campaign level, ad set level, and ad level. In ad set level, we will target our target audience there. So this is what we do, right? Next, we determine which ads to gather ads to the advertiser audience. This is the auction stage. This auction, even me myself are not very familiar with. I just know how to set a budget, and yes, we can play with the auction or how much cost per lead, but it's not something that I usually play around with. So now there's two things already. You need target audience and you need the budget, right? Then next is show which ads have the highest total value score, which which is a combination of advertiser value and ad quality. That's why this is where Facebook bots will do their thing. They will come and check the wordings. You know, for example, if you have like a curse word, Facebook will automatically block the ad. Yeah, and if, for example, your pictures are not nice, right? It's blur. Then they will say that the creative are not so good and things like that. So this is it could be a strategy, but yeah. And also, if there's a lot of people putting you as spam, they don't like your ads, so they will lower down your ad quality as well. So they have ad quality score, which determine overall quality of an ad. Okay, so they use machine learning. This one I'm not so sure how they check. Let me see. So they have relevant scores. There's all these things. All you still don't really know what is it about. All you have to do is just make sure that whatever ads you produce really resonate to your audience. Because if anything your audience do not like, you're gonna have problems. So they have a few ranking system they will check about how good the ads perform, whether the quality of the pictures or the copy is good. Yeah, there's 3 criteria, and also there's another one is whether how many of you take action, right? So this is how they check the value of a good ad. Advertiser bid, which is how much you pay. Auction estimated action rate. What's the audience? What's the rate of audience take action? For example, if you were to click a button or to buy stuff, this is an action. And then ad quality. Ad quality is always a very blurry thing because there's ads that's bad quality for me at least. So again, this one I'm not so sure what is their. It's still a gray area, and it's very hard for them to explain because it's all how to say, it's all machine learning, right? So they compare your ad with the other ads with these 3 metrics, and if your ads, for example, you're running a seminar ads and there's another seminar ad running concurrently, and if this seminar ads is running better than your current ad, they'll show that your ad is actually lower quality in general compared to the other ads, so they'll put it as low quality, right? So yeah, so okay, estimated action rate, machine learning, particular based on the business objective. So business objective, there's a few things. If you know basic of Facebook, Facebook advertising, there's a few criteria, which is awareness, consideration, conversion. So when you create ads, there's these 3 options. If you create ads using Facebook Ads Manager, so there's 2 kinds of ads: Facebook Ads Manager and Facebook. You can run ads directly from the page itself, or you run through Ads Manager. I usually run through Ads Manager because you have more options to play around, like this awareness, consideration, conversion. So you can check through all this information. So this I usually will explain this to new beginners or to my customers if they want to know more about the Facebook objectives. So you can go look through at it as well, right? So okay. So this is behavior. So what Facebook do is Facebook will know your behavior based on what you do. For example, you click something that you like bags, right? Then Facebook will, for example, you look at bags related content. So Facebook will know that you like bags, and with that, Facebook will for example, if I target bags, it will target you because you like to see things with bags, even though you just click a while. So yeah, Facebook will consider this while using Facebook ads. Yeah, for example, like you like posts, you interact, and things like that. So another one is okay, share with us via business tools. This is usually shared by the entrepreneur itself or the business owner itself. It's usually done by API, or whether they have a lead information they can send over, Facebook pixels, and etc. etc. So all this this is all mostly SDK is for apps, mobile apps. API is a software thing. I'm not very familiar as well. It's programming stuff, and Facebook pixel. So this is usually the information that they collected for your action. For example, if I put a Facebook pixel, which is a code, inside my website, and you take an action in my website, Facebook will know that you are interested in the product. For example, if I have an e-commerce store that is bag, you view that bag product page, you click add to cart in the bag product page, Facebook will know everything, and Facebook will know that you like bags. So this is how they check it out, right? So when ad quality is low quality attribute, okay, it's well known when you run ads, you can only put 20% of text, you cannot put more than that, right? So as I mentioned, there's a few combination on this. Again, the ad quality is always a gray area. I'm not sure how they check. Even if you talk to any professional, they will just ask you, some will ask you to make very nice pictures, but I've seen bad pictures that have good ad quality. I think what they do is just comparing between your ad and the current running ad, which is in the similar niche, and then that's how they determine whether ad quality score is good or not. I might be wrong. If anyone of you watching this video know what is it, feel free to comment in the comment section below. So how does machine learning improve? If you know machine learning, there's always learning. So the more data you input it, even if you add account, that's why some people say pixel must be seasoned. That means your code inside your ad account must have enough data for them to find the relevant audience for your business, for your ads. So that's why machine learning is always learning and learning and learning and learning. The more they learn, the more data they have, the better and more accurate the audience that Facebook got for you, right? So okay, for us as a normal people, I mean those that are not running ads, right, you can control your ad preferences. You can see what Facebook think about you. I have a video specifically on that. It's in the link on the description box below. Just feel free to watch it. You can know what Facebook think about you. You can arrange what kind of interests and things like that. You can delete certain interests. But at the end of the day, if your interest is that, most probably Facebook is right? So when you click for example, if you look at an ad, a sponsored post, you click why am I saying this, you get to see the list of the targeting that they do for the ad. And the reason why you see it, because you fall within that category of targeting. So you might not like it, you can hide the ad. There's a few things you can do. Again, I have the video, just look at the description box below, right? So off Facebook activity is mostly like Facebook is the platform itself. When you mean off Facebook activity, it's still your online activity, but it's done, okay, app can be online, can be offline, right? Anyway, so it just means that the activity away from Facebook, but it can be tracked as well through Pixel, which is a code. So okay, this is the main thing that Facebook want to highlight, because there's a lot of questions about the integrity of the Facebook ads information. Right, Facebook does not sell the people data to advertise on anyone else. They did last time. Now I'm very sure after being grilled, I'm very sure they don't do that anymore. Right? They don't share information with advertisers and personally identified individual unless they are given us permission. Same thing as well. It's all about privacy. Then Facebook does not use the content of people messaging or iPhone, so that means that Facebook is not tapping into your phone and things like that. So that is up to bargain, right? Up to questions, right? And yeah, it just means that your privacy is supposed to be safe. What they do is they don't remember you, for example, like me, Ken. They don't remember me as Ken. They remember me as a number. So they cannot identify you, and it's all done in machine learning. So it is not that they can come in and they can search one by one. Maybe they can. I'm not so sure, but I know it is quite complicated in terms of data to do that. So most probably they will just put a tag on you. So yeah, this is number, yeah, this is number. They don't know specifically who you are. They put you inside a group and things like that. So this is all to maintain privacy. We call it hashing, but all it is supposedly safe. And the moment you decide to be in social media, you have to expect a part of your life, a part of privacy is already being exposed to all these social media platforms, be it Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. So just be aware, it's nothing new. And yeah, for us marketer, of course, more information I have about you, the better things I can serve to you. The more targeted my ads can to target people that really want to see this, because your behavior will help me craft something that you want to see that may benefit you. There's something you might want to buy. There's something that you might learn. There's something with value for you. So of course, the more data you have, the better it is. And for me, privacy is something that I don't. Yes, I value. But like as I mentioned, as a marketer, we appreciate the more data we have, the more we can produce the right content, produce the right ads, the right value to our audience, right? Yeah. So this is the page, and that's it. I hope you like what I shared today. You can go through the whole article in the description box below. You can just go through the video and see, try to understand more about how Facebook target you or run their ads, right? It's quite a good thing to know as well, being a marketer or entrepreneur. Okay, and if you like what I shared, hopefully you do. Do subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Feel free to put any comments, any feedback. If you have any questions, you can post to me too as well. I'll try to reply as soon as I can. And all to all, yeah, do support this channel by subscribing. And I see you in my next video.